Apple Mail and PDI Secretaries do not go well together when it involves Windows. However, here is a quick fix and it will keep your PDI Secretary happy. So here we are in the Finder, and instead of sending these images out into Apple Mail in the normal way, what we're going to do is just click and drag over them to select both of them. And if it's just one image, just click on the one image, and then we just right click and come down, instead of to share, come back up to compress two items. If there's one image, it will be one item. Click on that and automatically Apple Mail will generate a zipped folder for you. This is the folder that you want to send off if someone's receiving on a Windows machine. And again, just right click on this new zip folder, and this time we will go to share and go over to Mail. That will open up Mail and will automatically put the zipped file in there. It will come up as an archive, but they will be there with their file names as you had them originally. So you can do the usual thing and put in your PDI Secretary's email address, and obviously put the usual subject title as well. And that's all there is to it really, and when you're ready you can click send as you would normally do with an email. I'm sure that will make your PDI Secretaries much happier.